welcome to my channel, and welcome here if you are new. Either way, I'm super excited to share this video with you guys. In today's video, I will be decluttering and organizing my pantry. And as you can see in the clips, my pantry was a disaster. There was all kinds of stuff on the floor. Everything was just shoved on the shelves, and nothing had a spot to where it belonged. So I'm going to go ahead and get that taken care of today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing. Everything removed out of the pantry, everything removed from the shelves, and this way I can start with a clean slate. I've got to get everything wiped down, and as you can see, and the floors swept because they are a mess and there's stuff that's all over them. I wanted to just show you guys a few clips of everything that's here in my kitchen, and my counters are all covered with everything that was in there. I don't know where all this stuff was, but yes, it all came out of the pantry. I don't think my kitchen has ever looked like this since we moved in here. It's crazy. But I'm gonna get these containers washed, and I will show you guys a few clips of me washing some of this stuff. I don't wanna bore you guys with washing everything. So after I wash this stuff, we're going to get it dried, and then I will start placing everything back into the pantry. One thing that you are not going to see is I had this pantry painted. It's actually painted with the same color that's throughout my whole house. And those are clips that you're not going to see.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things
My daughter Zara stopped by, and she is helping me out, and I really appreciate all your help.
There's a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love. I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. It's not a matter, under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking.
I bought this can storage from Amazon, and you guys, I absolutely love it. I actually ordered one more because I need another one to hold all of our canned goods. So it is on its way, and once it gets here, I will put it together and add right beside this one. I have finished putting everything into the pantry. I cannot wait to show you guys the finished product.
Where you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya.
So I just love how everything turned out. Everything is so nice and organized. Hopefully we can keep it this organized for a while. I know the first time that I organized my pantry, it lasted for about 8 months or so, and then it became a disaster before I organized it again. But this time I know with my kids coming in and out of the pantry multiple times a day, it can probably get unorganized quickly, but I'm thinking if I just go in there and just keep up with it at least once a week, then hopefully we can keep it this way. I just love how everything turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing and hitting that little red button. I would love to have you, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Ain't gonna lose ya.